Those who have been following the development of RMS-1 are aware of its ability to see beyond the core, which is in the center, and the patent-pending rotating adapter, which gives us the ability to see what I characterize as Zone 4 and Zone 5. But now the software has been updated. Let's just take a look a little bit deeper into the recesses. Now what we're able to do is to see it in a completely different perspective. This is a virtual 3D image of the debris on the core. Well, not only near the core, but also this is showing a fluid here, dry here. And of course, we're able to see the extent of the debris here on Zone 5. So RMS-1 continues to evolve, and this new feature will really help others to understand the significance of the 3D nature of not only the connector, but also debris itself.